going on, guys? This your boy Auto Lust, and as you see, I got the car back. You know, the interior is missing, the key was missing, door panels, and odds and ends. So I think I decided to go ahead and keep the car, and I've already ordered a brand new key, and I actually found an entire interior. That's gonna be a surprise. You know, I don't want you guys to see it now, but when the interior gets here, I'm gonna post a video so you guys can see the interior. But I am gonna show you today what I did, what I have bought for the car already, and what I've already installed in the car. So we're gonna get over here into the garage and check the car out real quick. All right, so here she is. I have her plugged in like I always had her plugged in. Remember when the thieves stole the car, they just snatched this plug out of the wall, the battery charger out of the wall, and just threw it in the trunk. They left the tires for some reason. So, but yeah, this is her. And I'm going to show you guys what all I've did. I mean, I've taken these trim pieces out here because the interior is no longer going to be this color, this tan and black, what it used to be. So I'm going to show you guys what I've ordered already. That black, sorry for the noise, there's a truck outside. But this black glove box I installed myself. I had the carpet professionally dyed black instead of finding another carpet. You know, it's cheaper just to dye it. It's still soft, still nice. The seat belts I bought, they're black because they were tan. I haven't put that one in yet. And this here, I won't have to paint this. Sorry for the noise, guys. I have the garage door open and it's loud. A truck is passing by. But the new interior came with the rollover protection caps and whatever this is called, the same color as the interior. It came with the back seat, both back panels, both front seats, door panels, and the trimming for the center console. You know, it was supposed to come with a color match glove box, but it didn't for some reason. And the color match glove box that I found was super expensive, and this black glove box here was only $100, so I opted to get that one. You know, save a little money since I'm paying for all this out of my pocket, you know. But the interior is going to be beautiful. And also, this piece here, this leather piece that covers that is not missing. The trim isn't missing. I took it out myself, you know, for the carpet to be dyed. And what else am I doing? Yes, if you can see the speaker behind there, the tweeter is loose and the speaker screws are out, or one of them. I'm waiting on the thumb driver to get back behind there so I can replace that speaker. But I didn't know this when the car was functional, but this subwoofer here is blowed, and that center channel speaker is blowed. So I'm just going to replace all of the speakers in here with the Eminence 4-inch like I did in my truck. I replaced the Harman Kardon 4-inch for the Eminence 4-4s, which is a way better speaker. And these rear panels also come with 4-inch mid-range drivers, but they're built inside the panel. They're not built in the door like the front doors is, so I'm replacing all of those also. But with the paint, the things that I'm going to have to get fixed is this piece of trimming is loose here. One of these door plunger things, door rods, are missing over on that side. Yeah, I said this is loose already, but it needs to be painted as well. This door here, if you can see, it's damaged, so that's gonna need to be repainted. The tow truck, when they towed the truck, I'm gonna see if you guys can see that, but yeah, see there's stress cracks under my under the 3M clear protection bra, so I got to get that peeled back, and hopefully I can get that painted without having to repaint the whole entire bumper. My front splitter is the clear protection is peeled back and it's cracked there. Well, it's not cracked, but the paint is peeled back. There's various little scratches all around the car also, like there. What else? Oh yeah, this door is horrible. I wonder what happened when this door got messed up this bad, but it's way worse than the passenger door. It's chipped all the way to the metal. And I think that's about it. Everything else, oh yeah, and this tailpipe here is the weld is broken, so see that? I have to get that re-welded, or the hanger re-welded, because the exhaust is broken there. But everything else seems to be in good condition. But yeah, I'm gonna upload a video when the new interior comes in, so you guys can see the color and what it's gonna look like. But it's gonna be beautiful, guys. It's gonna look way nicer than this tan down in the house here. This is one of the new seat belts for the car, and these two are the old seat belts that I've already removed. The new interior comes with these seat belt cover clips, but one of them is broken, I noticed in the picture. So these were the tan ones. I just painted these black with plastic and trim cover paint from Duplicolor, and they turned out wonderful. I'm going to use those. And don't worry about that stuff. I recycle, so I keep the recycling stuff out of the garbage can. But I took most of the trim on the center console out. It was wrapped in carbon fiber, but now I took the wrap off of it because I'm going to get these hydro dipped in carbon fiber, and I'm also going to take the trimming off of the dashboard and wrap that and hydro dip that. And this is the leather piece I told you about earlier that surrounds the gear shifter. Well, actually, this goes about here. That's the inside of the cup holder there with some screws, and that sits in here like that pretty much. That's how that goes in the car. So I'm getting all of that trim hydro dipped. And down here are the old side panels for the rear of the car. And if you can see the tweeter and the mid-range is built inside the actual door panel itself, instead of in the door of the car like on the front door. So I'm probably gonna sell all of this tan stuff online or eBay or whatever. These seat belts, those door panels, and whatever else. These actually, when the convertible top goes down, these slide up and sit on top. That's the wrong one. These slide up and sit on top here where the convertible top goes down, so it's you can't see the mechanicals, and these are easily taken out and putting back in. So I'm going to put these on the new rear panels that I took off there. But that's pretty much what I have going on so far. Yeah, when I get this stuff, I'm also going to do a video of getting this stuff hydro dip or include it in the video so you guys can see the carbon fiber. But next video I post should be of the interior arriving and some other odds and ends. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned, like and subscribe. You know, if you want to see this baby come back together. I mean, she been through a lot. This is my first time ever having, well, my second time ever having my car stolen. I was real young and I had an Impala still stolen, one of my first cars. But yeah, so you guys just like, share, and subscribe, and I mean, welcome to the family. We're gonna try to get this car back together, man. If I can get this camera to focus. Yeah, let's get the car back together and get the camera to focus. All right, guys, see you next video.